In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money with AI, text, images, as well as everything else. So with that said, let's get started. First of all, head into your favorite browser. In this case, I'm gonna hope for Google Chrome. After that, in the search tab right here, type google.com and then search for the following thing, Rytr. R-Y-T-R, like this. And then find the Rytr.me, like this. It's written like this, as you can see. Now click on it, and then you'll be able to create an account in here. Click on start writing, and right on the left corner, let me sign out so I can show you exactly what to do. Right on the left corner, you're gonna find continue with either Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or email. Gonna click continue with Google. I'm gonna choose my account right here, and then I'm gonna say welcome. Right here, I can use this tool to make actual money. How, you may ask? Well, I can use it to produce blogs. I can use it to do copywriting, for example. I can use it for different cases. Click in here, choose use case. Make sure you select the right language. Make sure you select the tone as well. So for example, I can choose it to write a business idea, a call to action, a cover letter, an email, an interview question, a lot of other, as you can see, stuff right here. So video description, video idea. Let's say I will provide a service to create YouTube video description. For example, I'll say the video title of the YouTube is, for example, how to make money with AI. And right after that, I'm gonna click write for me right here. You can choose the variants, how much you want. I'm gonna choose 3 variants, and creativity, I'm going to choose it low, okay? Or I can choose it optimal, which will be half May. Write for me, and then it will be writing for me. As you can see, it's not even 1 minute. I didn't even post the video, and look at here. Literally what exactly I'm looking for. Truly amazing. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.